Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Iqbal Rizkul Javan
And my name is Fatan Rifki Faturrahman Daud.
today we're going to interview with our guest, which is Miss Yasinta Rohmah.
Yes.
Miss Yasinta, you can introduce.
Hello, I am Miss Yasinta Romadona and I'm a lecturer of computer science or informatics in Telkom University, Surabaya Campus.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Yasinta, for giving us your precious time to come to our interview today. And without further ado, let's move on to the interviews.
Yes.
Miss Yasinta, can you introduce yourself and tell us about your current role in the computer or technology field?
Okay, my full name is Yasinta Romadona, as you know, and everyone call me Yasinta, but my parents call me Dona, so I have two names basically.
Your
Yeah, my parents.
oh yes,
And about my career, my current role is a lecturer of computer science and informatics in Telkom University.
yes.
And in our study program, informatics, I have a role as gugus kendali mutu, what we call as quality continuous improvement.
Oh, quality is continuous.
Okay.
Lanjut dari situ aja.
Yeah.
So we have to person to monitor our curriculum basically in informatics.
Yes.
Program study, and our program study has Mrs. Bima and me. So when you ask me about what's my current role in technology field, where just so you know, I am part of it, where which I have to monitor your curriculum every 5 year. Every 5 year. So basically, we have the assignment to monitor if it is still relevant to the current technology or not.
Oh,
So our study program can keep interact with the development of technology. Yes.
alright. Oh, Fatah.
Maybe the second question. Miss Yasinta, what inspired you to choose that career in technology field?
Well, it's a long story actually, because I actually wanted to register to mechanical engineering, but my parents prohibit me to
Why?
register because, well, I am a girl,
What?
woman,
Oh.
woman, and they want to direct me as a teacher, as a lecturer. So they want me to have a what we call stable career
Oh, stable
and not so manly. That's why I chose informatics as my first step to get into a technology field. When I entered my bachelor degree, when I got my bachelor degree in informatics, that's basically my career began. And I worked as a backend developer for 3 months in a software house in Tangerang before I continue my education to enter the master degree, to get my master degree. And so after I got my master degree, I was accepted in Telkom University. So that's why I became your lecturer right now.
So that's your whole journey from.
Not so whole because when I was taking my master degree, I also became a research assistant.
Oh, research assistant.
Yes, for my supervisor, my first supervisor, which is now is the department leader of informatics in 10 November Institute of Technology.
Oh.
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
What about challenge? Do you face any challenge in your journey?
Basically, the most challenging itself is me versus myself.
Your versus yourself. Why?
Because I have to become another better me tomorrow than today.
Oh.
And my first rival is actually my laziness. Then, yeah.
I think everyone has it.
Everyone. Sometimes everyone lazy.
Yeah. That's my very first rival. That which needs very bentar deh. Kan dulu deh.
Maybe it's little snack from us.
Terima kasih. That needs effort to control myself, particularly in time management. I have to learn that as a lifelong learning.
Ah. What about when you're trying to learn backend programming? Do you have any issues with that?
Backend program. Yes, when I was backend developer, I was working with some people who expert in Java and Kotlin. So I handled about Android development back then, and that was quite challenging actually because I didn't know about Kotlin at all at the time. So I had to learn about it as fast as possible because my work needs that. But yeah, I survived.
Alright. Nathan?
Third question.
Yeah, just ask another question.
Okay. Okay. What?
Dream career?
Oh.
What about the dream career?
What is your dream career goal for the next few years in the technology industry?
In the next few years,
Yes.
Do you have any dream career? Any dream goal?
my dream career was a part of BUMN.
Oh,
But now, in the next near future, I really don't have exact target because I enjoy myself here.
So right now you're comfy with the way you are right now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really enjoy being here. Well, I have to meet my cute students and very, very entertaining somehow. That's why I don't have any ambition to change my career in the near future.
Alright. So you really love the students,
Well, like to be honest, not so. What do you mean? They're
What does that mean for the
they're,
question?
they're so naughty, like
Not so loving, but they are so entertaining somehow when I need some new point of views or some insights about life because they told me about their families, their background, and it made me reflecting to myself.
Alright. So then, do you have some kind of advice for us to live to make a career of herself?
Well, you guys are still young, and I hope we have enough time to learn about life and to develop ourselves. So my advice is gonna be enjoy your life, but don't forget about your responsibility.
Alright. Alright. Thank you so much for
Maybe that's
our
all.
interview. Maybe that's all.
My pleasure. I hope
Thank you for your time.
it will help you all.
Yes.
That's all from us.
Thank you very much.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
I miss you.
Me and Fatan.
Okay.
We recently interviewed with Miss Yasinta Roma. We talk about.
We just interviewed.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just interviewed. We talk about her career, her journey, what is her challenge, what her dream career is.
Alright.
So what I caught is that she want to be an engineer, but her parents doesn't let her. Her parents doesn't let her because she is a woman. So she became a lecturer. Yeah, so that's what she said. Well, what about you guys? What do you guys
Always
about?
thinking.
I think I keep stay in my way
Wow,
forget my dream.
what can you do?
Yeah.
No, I mean about your
Oh.
career.
Yeah. I think I want to be a programmer.
Oh.
Yeah. But my parents want me to be teacher.
Oh, teacher.
Yeah.
Oh, so the same. It's basically the same.
Yeah.
With Jacinta.
I think I
Is
can.
that all? Is there any reason that your parent doesn't let you to be a programmer?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it?
What's this?
Well.
Reason.
Have any reason, like Miss Yasinta was telling the reason she wanted to become an engineer, but her parent taught her
No.
that she is a woman.
Oh.
That's a reason. So why won't your parents
Uh,
let you be a programmer?
I think my parent is apa ya? My parent is what is the say?
What is it?
Let's
What
just
is
say
Think for my dream.
Uh,
Just apa sih?
description.
Please.
Okay.
Just
She look my future,
Yes.
my dream, and she set for my way, for my that's way.
Oh, your way of life.
Yeah.
So she want to carve your path,
Okay.
carve your path for you like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Kevin?
So for my future career, actually I want to be a programmer.
A programmer.
The same. Yeah.
Programmer.
Yeah, but lately I have some. I confused about what career that I will pick in future because AI is more.
Advanced.
Advanced.
Yeah, lately AI
is a future.
More advanced.
yeah AI is more advanced. So I think I see a opportunity to learn at AI field.
Ah.
So maybe I have two options to become a programmer or become an AI engineer or maybe ML ops developer or something.
DevOps.
Yeah, DevOps. And for my parents give me freedom to choose my own career.
Oh,
Oh, do you
So-
think,
that's
do you think you will face any challenges or because we talked to Miss Jacinta, she
Yes.
faced a challenge in her career of backend. She needed time to learn. She needed time to adapt, a time to create. So she wastes a lot of time to learn. So that's her challenge.
Okay,
so do you
so-
think you will face the same challenge?
Of course. So maybe I will need a lot of time for learning at AI or learning at software developing.
A lot of time. How long?
How long?
Because you and me, it's basically the same. We're
Oh,
basically
yeah.
on the same path.
How long? So
Yeah. How about you?
I
How
think-
long for you?
I think for learning one specific skill at software development or AI engineer, it takes I think a month.
A month.
For one specific.
Oh,
One specific.
One basic or one
I think
field?
for basic.
One basic.
Yeah.
For me, maybe one basic. I think the same. 1 month.
Yeah.
1 full month is just like I don't do lazy or not. I sleep well, I eat well, and just study for 1 month. But maybe for one field, I think it will take me about 1 year or so.
Yeah.
1 year or 1.5 years, I guess. Yeah. So what about you for mastering one
For
field?
mastering one field,
Yeah.
I think it will take more than 1 year.
One year.
So for uh,
Alright. What about the other guy's opinion?
wait.
What about other guy's opinion? Like for your guys' perspective of back-end programming, how long do you guys think it will take for mastering one certain field?
I think that would be need a year or maybe half of a year, because it has to be an efficient study. Okay, you need to take half of a year to a year, because the world is has advanced technology too in the world. You must have to study following the trend of the world. So you don't have to learn very long time, like 2 years or 3 years. It would waste the time. Maybe some technology will outdated when you learn too long, like 3 years. So for me, that would be a year or a half.
I understand.
But the technology will be more advanced, more harder. So you need to adapt.
Yes,
So, yeah.
that's my
So
opinion. I would agree that.
Yeah. What about your opinion?
I think it depends on the person, right? Like maybe there's a person, if it's possible for him, for example, for him, maybe he can learn that maybe for, I think it's maybe, is it possible for 6 months maybe?
Well, I agree about it. I agree about that.
Maybe it's different person gonna learn. Maybe there's a person A that he can learn for 1 year, or maybe there's a person B that he can learn for 6 months or maybe 8 months.
So there's one person who can
Yeah.
learn for fast pace,
Learning.
faster pace, and the other one at a slower pace.
Maybe he need more time to learn.
But I agree about that. But I think the main thing that you need is you need to be disciplined.
Yes.
You need to be disciplined. If you're not disciplined, then your talent would be wasteful, I think. What about you, Mark? You didn't say anything.
What?
Do you have anything to say?
Like, what about your opinion on like Miss Jacinta backend programming challenge.
Let me explain. Misa Sinta say that she learned backend program for maybe 1.5 year.
Maybe.
Oh.
What do you think? Is it there possible to
Is it a
person that can
Possible.
Possible.
Because what's the half year?
Yeah.
The year.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a long time for study. What's
backend?
yeah, backend.
What about you? What's your dream career?
Actually, to be honest, when I was at 6th grade, I want to be a chef, but my parents rejected me because it's not a good career for the next, maybe when I am older enough, maybe something like that. And then someday I wanted to be a botanist, like a farmer, but I don't. They rejected me, and then in the 11th grade, I just realized that my math skill is very good, actually, and then I like to code some program, maybe even if that's not a good program, but I see that maybe in the 10 years the the career will be a good future. And then my parents agree with me. Actually, my parents give me two options, either a mechanical engineer or informatic engineer, computer science. And then I choose computer science.
Yeah, so basically the same. You want to be a programmer?
Yes,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
I think we same.
Yeah, so
Yes.
all of us want to
Almost
be. You also want to
programmer.
be a programmer.
I don't think so.
But
Why? What do you want to be?
Let me tell you a story.
Oh, it's going to
Okay,
be a long
yes,
one.
it's
yeah. Yeah.
Here we go.
Where do we start? I remember that when I in high school, when I was in 11th grade, my father asked me about my dream career. Like he asked me, "Do you have a plan to study in the university?" Yeah, and I was like, I wanted to learn to study about law in UB.
Oh,
Yeah.
Universitas.
Oh.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
wanted to start study
Yeah,
law
university.
because I just thinking I wanted to be a lawyer.
You want to be a
Lawyer.
lawyer?
I don't think about to be a programmer, to do a coding, to do something else like the programmer thing. I just wanted to be a lawyer. And when I say that to my father, he was like, "Son, you're not you're not a Hotman Paris, don't you? And you basically, I don't think you can be a lawyer. It is because you can talk too much. You are introvert. And he give me a pressure. Like when I say that I wanted to be a lawyer and I want to study about law, and I think that make any sense. So I wanted. So he give me recommended to study about programming. So I learned programming. After he say about that, I download VS Code on my laptop and watching YouTube.
So-
and then I think being a programmer is interesting.
Interesting.
Yeah.
This one, yes.
And then in 12th grade, when I wanted to input my study, I put informatics, and then I said to my father, I wanted to study in informatics. So he was like, oh, I thought you wanted to study law, and I was like, no, I just changed it. I wanted to learn about informatics.
So you've been influenced by your parents,
Yeah, that's
just
it.
like Miss Jacinta. She was influenced by her
Yeah.
parents, but the difference is that
Difference is
she was forced. But
Yeah.
in my perspective,
yeah,
in my
yeah.
perspective, she was forced to become a lecturer, not a programmer.
It's the same.
What she want to be is a programmer, an engineer to be
Yeah.
exact. But because of her parents' influence, she became a lecturer.
Mm,
So it's almost
The
the
same.
same like you.
yeah. And also like I think that's makes any sense when he say about that.
Uh,
So Fatan, how do you rate informatic?
Rate
I think I
1 to 10.
1 to
Oh,
maybe right now I rate it at maybe 6.
6.
That's
low.
Do you have the reason?
I got so many tests, and also I don't have any time to learn
Okay.
more about coding.
10. Yeah.
And yes,
Just take your time. Just like Miss Jacinta. Miss Jacinta said that we need to enjoy ourselves. Enjoy ourselves, but still doing our responsibility. That's what Miss Jacinta said. And I think that is a really nice quote because your teenage time is only once in a lifetime.
yeah,
You don't get ever to become a teenager again.
yeah.
So you need to enjoy your daily life.
Yeah.
So if you want to take your time to become a programmer, you can. Just enjoy your life, but be responsible.
I want to tell something. So my biggest missed opportunity in throughout my college life, first to second semester, is I was really learning too much for mathematics rather than the coding itself. So that's my biggest missed opportunity. I was feel so stressed out. That's my biggest problem.
So your biggest problem because you didn't learn program
Yeah,
from the beginning.
yeah,
Yeah. Well, it's almost the same. So we're
Yes.
almost the
Yeah.
same like Miss Jacinta.
yeah,
Basically, Miss Jacinta doesn't really know about programs, but she learned. She wanted to learn. She wanted to know. She adapted to our advanced technology.
yeah.
And for me, if we want to become lecturer, if we want to become successful, all we need is discipline. We need to become disciplined.
Yeah.
We need to study harder, but still enjoying ourselves.
But I think I don't know what is first step for the
learning.
yeah.
Learning.
No learning. Create my dream job.
Oh,
Yeah.
First,
I don't know the first step.
For preparing our team, so.
Yeah.
for that, I guess maybe you can ask your parents
Mhm.
for consult. You can consult into your parents.
My parents is she don't know for informatics. Yeah. Because my father is teacher of what's it what's the
oh,
in
natural,
yeah.
natural
Science,
science.
yeah.
Science. Well, I think for that, maybe you can figure out
Mhm.
over time by yourself.
Mhm.
Because right now, maybe Miss Jacinta cannot tell you like what's your first step, what's your gonna be, because you need to know it yourself.
Oh, okay.
You need to what's it called, adventure it yourself.
Okay.
Yes, you need, yeah. Maybe that's all. Do you guys have any other things?
Wait. I think we already tell our story about being programming. So how about yours?
Well, I already tell myself when
Oh.
I talked with Kevin.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted to become a programmer, but the challenge would be to learn a certain types of field, to master a certain types of field. That's why we both talked to Miss Jacinta, and from what I captured from her stories, if we want to learn, it will take some time, but if we discipline enough and we learn time over time, we can master a certain type of field. Yeah. So that's all from me. Do you guys have maybe any other opinion on the interview? Because you guys watched over there.
Do you want to ask anything?
Yeah,
I think that's for all.
that's
So,
all.
yeah.
Yeah, don't you guys wanted to know, like, what if the future was dead? What if we live on the Padang Mahsyar? What if we suddenly teleported to Padang Mahsyar?
How about we
That's
talking
too
about
much.
dollar?
What?
But first of all, I have some advice. You guys should learning for business. Yeah, because technology itself is not enough
Yeah.
without business.
Yeah.
So you guys should learn business.
Oh, talking about business. Right now, rupiah is
It's the
We
core.
are not in high school.
Big
We
guy.
are not in high school. That's enough.
That's
But, yeah, talk about business. Maybe you need to. For me, I want to find a relation.
Yeah.
With someone who is master at business. So that way I can continue study and mastering my field.
But I think the in business that's not from the other. That's what's it called? That's
Experience.
yeah, my experience. Yeah, because if that's for other, it's not the same story of us. Yeah.
I agree. But what I want is to learn to master one field while my friends master the business field.
Oh.
So that way we can exchange our relations.
Mm.
So we can become business partner in the future.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe if business field is too hard for us, a young people, maybe we should join a community because we should learn before a real working.
Yeah.
Maybe for some people like us that introverted, we should learn what you call it, relation.
Oh.
Relation,
Yeah.
Yeah.
relation.
Yeah, something like that.
But
Not to be introverted.
to get about community, because community is kind of business.
Yeah.
Especially
Yeah.
business community is
Yes.
a bit harsh place.
Yeah, agree with it.
If like I know my friends and I trust them very well, but if I go into a certain types of communities, what I know is that they are strangers. So you should be worried. Not too worried, but still, what is it called? Defensive, a bit defensive.
Yeah.
Because you don't know who they are.
Mm.
Actually.
also, so there's a community that cannot be trusted.
Yes.
Uh,
So you do not going 100% trusted, but
Yeah.
you still talk to them. Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's all from
Maybe that's enough.
I think that's enough.
Enough for today.
Yeah. So remember, wait.
What?
Before we close, remember, Miss Jacinta always said, you need to enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself, but also be responsible for your action.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's all from me. My name is Iqbal.
I know my name is Patan.
I am Rafid.
I'm Calvin.
I am Mama.
We're signing out. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There will be no next.
There will be no
next
next
part.
Next
part.
part. No, next
podcast.
part. Please.
We
Please.
confirm.
This is
so
the last.
We
podcast.
confirm
The
that we
last.
not gonna.
Yeah, this is
Yeah.
the last. Of
I think it is
this is
enough
the
for
last.
Last of the video.
For
Yeah,
the
this is the
please.
last series.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the last episode.
Yeah.
Episode number 2 of podcast.
There are no.
Thank you.
There are no
Please order you please.
short episode. There are no.
there are no podcast episode.
Yeah.
There are no
Thank you. Mas, gitu.